Yeah, it's nice. The rain out.
Afternoon, Brad.
Afternoon, everyone. How are you?
Check, check.
Can we start with your name, please?
Brad Bailey, B-A-I-L-E-Y.
What are they alleging against your client?
The allegations are set forth in the criminal complaint that was filed by the government today, and they're alleging that there were overtime shifts worked that took overtime for that he wasn't entitled to pay.
What does he say about that, Brad?
He's denying the allegations. He's looking forward to trying this case, and at the appropriate time, he'll be responding to those allegations. This is an individual who has worked in the public sector as a dedicated police officer and then state trooper for a total of 32 years, 5 years on the local side and 26 years with the state police. And these are allegations which we, of course, take very seriously. But they're allegations that we're very much looking forward to respond to at the appropriate time and place, which is not right now.
Why are you looking forward to that response?
Well, because it's an opportunity for him to clear his name and react as every citizen who's accused of crimes is allowed to do and committed to, and we're looking forward to that opportunity.
How's he doing? You're going to challenge probable cause when he's not waiving right now today. Is there anything in what is alleged that leads to that?
Actually, what I said was we are not waiving probable cause. The government has to establish probable cause when there hasn't been an indictment. And so as part of the natural process, we're saying unless or until they have that indictment, we are not going to accept or agree that probable cause exists. There's a mechanism in place, and it's my anticipation that there will be an indictment issued eventually in this matter.
Brad, your reaction to the strength of the evidence in this case, it includes, as I'm sure you've seen in the complaint, radio data, the fact that his radio allegedly was not on while he was working some of these shifts, and also the tickets themselves that allegedly were not issued at the time he said they were. Your reaction to that?
Right now all we have are numbers and statements on a piece of paper. I haven't seen one iota of evidence yet. There's a long process. There's an automatic discovery process here where the government will be required to give to me and allow me to see what they intend to rely on. And until then, I can't possibly comment on the strength of any evidence, except to once again say my client denies these charges.
How's your client doing?
Client is doing, holding up okay under the circumstances. Obviously, this isn't a particularly fun day for him, but he's a law enforcement professional. He understands the process, he respects the process, and he looks forward to clearing his name through the process.
He's keeping a service weapon. Is he still working as a trooper?
No, John, that was a misunderstanding maybe of what was said. He is not keeping a service weapon. That has been surrendered. He has a son who's in the state police who has a state police issued service weapon, and the court and the government clarified that his son would not be required to surrender that.
Does he have a family?
Yes, he has a wife and 2 sons.
Was that her you were up there with?
His wife was in the courtroom supporting him as she has and will continue to throughout this process.
Brad, this is a guy who spent more than 30 years in law enforcement. Today he walked into a courtroom wearing handcuffs. What's the reaction from him to his family to all this?
Well, Carl, I'm certainly not going to get into my client's private feelings, but as I said, he is a law enforcement professional. He had a lengthy career. He understands what this process is all about. He understands how it works, and he has every intention of working within this process to ultimately clear his name. It's going to be a long ways away. There's a lot to be done between now and when there's an eventual trial, but there's going to come a time when we're going to be able to directly address and respond to the charges and the allegations in this case.
Brad, can you talk about the arrest this morning? What happened? Was he surprised that they showed up at his house?
Well, I think that this is a matter that has been in public view and domain for quite some time, and while I wasn't there, this is not something that was necessarily unexpected. I've had communications with the U.S. Attorney's Office in the course of the last several months, and we fully anticipated that this day would come.
But he was arrested. It was not a surrender. They showed up at his door.
This was an arrest. My understanding is that it has now become office policy to effectuate arrests in all cases like this, and notwithstanding requests for self-surrender. That's the protocol, and that's what's being followed.
Was he arrested at his home?
He was arrested at his home. So thank you all very much. I appreciate you coming out on a gloomy day.
At least it's not raining.
Yeah, it's not raining. Take care.